Hello, welcome to my video. So today I'll be talking about an app that I would like to launch. So I'm making this video so you all can provide some feedback. So I'm Priscila Avila, the creator of the app, an app that is designed to bridge the educational gap by connecting students with personalized tutoring session. So the app is intended to be available in the Apple Store and Google Play. So let's begin. So we're going to have an introduction discussing our mission, then we're going to talk about the app, subscription plans, and our operations team. So let's start with the introduction. Our mission. Our mission is to bridge educational gaps by providing young learners with an engaging, personalized tutoring experience that inspires growth and academic success. Along we educate, together we transform lives. So let's talk about some statistics. So this chart right here on the left talks about the percentage of students out of 10 achieving proficiency in reading, math, science, and writing. So the proficiency here is out of 10 students. So 5 out of 10 students are in the low percentile, 2 students are in the medium, 2 students are in the average, and 1 student is in the top percentage. So this means that 5 students out of 10 for math are getting scores from a 0 to a 50 in their assessments. And that is showing that for reading, science, writing, for reading we have 1, for science, we have 3, and for writing, we also have 3 students in the lower percentile. So our goal with the Bright Path Tutoring app is to make those numbers decrease and make the top levels increase, meaning getting more students in the top percentiles and averages. So on the chart here to the right, we have average scores for reading and math. So this is coming from the pandemic. So we see that we have a very low score here. It's probably even lower. But this is what we found out, that over the course of 4 years, the scores for both have steadily increased, but then we see here in 2024, which is why we want to bridge that gap. So let's see if the Bright Path Tutoring app makes a 45% improvement out of 10 students only. Now it's very low. Obviously, we want it for it to be 100%, but we want to make it a little bit realistic for you all. So we identify the current distribution, which is taken from the previous slide, the initial chart, where we talked about the average students for each percentile. So if we apply the 45% improvements, we're going to multiply the number of students in each level by 45 to get how many students will move up. For example, for math, in level 4, which is the low percentile, we have 5 students. So 45% of those students will be moving up to the next level, which means 2 students will move to level 3, which is the medium. From level 3, 1 student will move to level 2, which will be the average, and we will have 1 student moving to level 1, which is the top percentile. So we calculated that for all of the following subjects. Now let's take a look at the way we do step 3. We redistribute the students. So this is what our new chart would look like, this one on the right. So this is our initial chart on the left, and we see incremental increases, obviously, for all our subjects. We see now that we, instead of having 5 students, we have 3 only on the lower percentile. Now this is only 45%. So imagine 100%, these numbers would be very low, like in reading. Now we only did 10 students, but imagine more students, it will show greater changes here. So overall, we see an improvement now only at 45%. So we see now 3 students in the medium, 2 students in the average, and 2 students in the top percent. So let's talk about the app itself. How's this app going to work? What do we have? What are our features? So first of all, we have a logo. This logo is the same logo for both the Apple Store and the Google Play. So it's a bright, engaging logo that attracts the students' attention, young adults and grade level students. So here comes the app. Our app will have some of these features. So this is our welcoming page, obviously where you would create your account and you would have one. Then comes the homepage. Once you log in, you would have all the content, including videos, customer support over here, the tutoring list, the list of tutors, and then our classes section, we have the classes. You can browse what classes you want. We'll have more than that. You can see a few here. We'll have a parental meetings class. Obviously, we want parents involved. We will have a mails and notifications screen, which will have all your notifications, and we will have your profile screen, which you see terms and conditions of the app and all that stuff. So this is an example of classes screen description. So here we have the upgrade button, which is just an intuitive button for easy access. We have the search bar here, the navigation button. We also have a class section where we list all the sections, and obviously we have a footer, which is just a menu with the tabs for home, classes, mails, and profile. Now, what are some of the characteristics and features of our app? So two of the most important features of this app obviously is the personalized learning path, which means that this entails lessons including individual learning styles, skills, and levels, and academic needs of young children and young adults. Our second most important feature is a live tutoring session, one-on-one tutoring sessions, which is important. Rather than having just students watch videos, we would like to have one-on-one tutoring sessions. We would also have interactive educational tools, incorporating gamified lessons, quizzes, and progress tracking to make it engaging and measurable. We would have accessibility, and affordability. This is talking about the pricing plans. We also have parent involvement features, which would allow parents to monitor the progress, schedule sessions, and communicate with tutors to a user-friendly interface. And lastly, we have a comprehensive subject coverage, which offers a wide range of subjects, including math, reading, science, and soft skills development to improve holistic education. So not only do we want to have this available in a mobile version, but we also want to have it available for a desktop version. So this is what that would look like in a desktop. Now, additionally, from a desktop, we would also like to have it available for a tablet, for on-the-go learning, seamless navigation. So this is what that would look like, tablet mockup. Now let's take a look at the subscription plan. So we would have 4 plans available. This is where we want mostly your feedback, what each plan should include. So we have a basic plan, which is the free plan, is access to limited pre-recorded lessons, 1 free tutoring session per month, limited access to progress tracking tools, basic support. The standard plan is unlimited access to pre-recorded lessons, 2 live tutoring sessions per month, enhanced progress tracking, ability to book tutoring sessions at a discounted rate. Our popular plan, which is the $3 a month, $30, I'm sorry, premium plan a month, has unlimited access to tutoring sessions with flexible scheduling, personalized learning plans based on assessments. This will mean students can bring their own homework from the schools to the tutoring sessions. Email and chat support with quick response times, one-on-one parent-student consultation each month. Now, this one-on-one, we would offer it on every plan. Lastly, our family plan is a plan where you want to enroll more than one student in our app. So let's say you have 4, you could customize group tutoring, having them all being tutored at once if they're around the same age. Family dashboard to monitoring all progress students reports, priority scheduling for live sessions, exclusive workshops and webinars for parents. Obviously, we want the parents involved, and priority chat and phone support. Now, the operations team, what do we need? These are only 6 essential members that we would need. So we would need app developers, which would be responsible for coding and developing and maintaining the app. We would need content creators who would develop the educational content for the app, including lessons and quizzes and exercises. We would also need an app manager who oversees the development, ensuring that all features are aligned with users' needs and the business goals. We would need a marketing manager who creates and implements marketing strategies to promote the app. We need customer support. We will provide users with the support they need in addressing technical issues, answering questions, and ensuring users have a smooth experience with the app. And lastly, we would need our tutors, which will provide the real-time personalized tutoring during the live sessions. So the tutors will work closely with the students. Now, this is the roadmap. This roadmap illustrates how our app will, once we launch it, this is what our roadmap would be. We would start with meetings to outline the goals, features, and users' needs, followed by the design phase, where we will wireframes and prototypes are created for user feedback, which is kind of like this video. Then we have the development phase. We will discuss on coding and building the app's core features with regular testing and bug fixes incorporated throughout. And finally, after the app launch, we would have ongoing periods for updates, user feedback integration, and necessary fixes to ensure the app's smooth functionality. This is what we call the free trial period. So like any other app, ours will have that, which would be for a month. Free trial, so you could try it, let us know what you think, and all that. So this is the ending of my video. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Give us a like, give us a comment, let us know what you think about the app. Give us some feedback. Constructive feedback does not have to be positive. So let us know what can improve, what we can add, what we should change, and all that. And more importantly, make sure you share it with your families and friends so they can all make their input as well. So to let us know what's ongoing, what we should change, what we should improve. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.